Today, let's look at the importance of ceremonial burial rituals or Ekwa Ozu in Igbo cosmology. In Igbo culture, burying the dead is not just laying them to rest in the ground. It involves a series of ceremonial rites known as Ekwa Ozu to ensure the successful passage of the spirit of the person to the land of the dead. These rituals are crucial because without them, the soul of the deceased may wander aimlessly and unable to reincarnate. When someone is not properly buried and these ceremonial rites are neglected, their soul may wander and cause disturbances to their families. This is particularly true for spirits like Nwada, a married woman whose spirit returned to her family home if she was not buried properly. Her spirit often remains in the family shrine, especially the Ogugu. It is believed that these shrines are always there even when some families destroy their own, manifesting in various forms such as a python or clusters of bees. These spirits normally leave the shrine closest to their homes to a more powerful shrine. Once their manifestations are ignored, they start wreaking havoc on their families. To resolve this disturbance, the family often seek guidance from a native doctor who uses a divination tool such as Afa to uncover the root of their problem. The native doctor will now instruct the family on how to carry out a proper burial rite of their deceased member, including Nwada, to appease their spirit and ensure peace in the family. In summary, the ceremonial burial rites in Igbo tradition is very essential in ensuring the peaceful passage of the deceased to the afterlife. Ignoring these rites can lead to disturbances from Nwada, the wandering spirit, bringing hardship and suffering to the family. If you've had any experiences concerning this, please tell us in the comment section.